Hi everyone, I'm Mieko. Today, I want to share with you my core routine. I do every other day or sometimes I do after my running. Let's start. Lay down your back. Both legs tabletop. Arms reach to sky. Breathe in. As exhale, coming to abdominal curl. And come back, warming up abs. I usually do 10 times of this. Focus for all breathe out. Let's do 5 more. Squeeze your inner thighs. Good job. Last one. And next move, breathe in here. As exhale coming up, same time extend your legs and come back. 10 times as well. No matter how many times I done this exercise, I always try to find my good form. Asking myself, how is my leg doing? How is my core doing? And how is my breathing today? Let's do 2 more. And last one, straight to here for 100. Legs are engaged. Someday I cannot do 100. Someday I can do 100 straight. 2 more sets. Today is a good day. And relax. Woo! Getting sweat. And I'm going to do roll up, flex feet, arms overhead. Again, not arching, chin to chest. Here. Stay tall. Breathe in. As exhale, breathe out. Again, no matter how many times I done this exercise, each time I can find some challenge myself. How is my leg doing today? How is my upper torso doing? How's my posture? I love listening to my body, and I can see every day my body condition different. And try accept how am I feeling today. Last one more time. Beating legs up together. Ooh, that was a good one. Stay tall and down. Circle both the hands side of your hip. Right leg lift, left leg lift, and one of my favorite exercise. Roll over. Open your legs, flex. Slowly going down your spine one by one. Three, each direction. Open shoulder width. Flex your feet. Feed your triceps, arms working too. Now we go reverse, legs shoulder width, point at toes, feeding your spine. Breathe in, legs together, flex, going down. I love feeding the core and legs, and also arms for body workout. Last one more time. Drawing belly button in. And point your toe, hand behind your neck, coming up. Right leg 45 degrees, and I twist my body. Breathe out for oblique. One more each side, turning and come back center, no resting, both legs down and up. Keep looking your belly button. Maybe today I can draw my belly button more than yesterday. Two more times. Last one. And rest. Whew. Good job. And one time roll up, arms overhead. Slowly coming up to sitting position. And stretch. And I do side plank. I've tried to work out myself whole core every time I try to work out. Okay? And lift your side plank. 10 seconds hold. I'm really focusing on how is my bottom body doing. And from here, I want to work my glute too, so I go 10 up and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold right here. Ooh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, come back. And one of my favorite stretch, mermaid. And I add push up for upper body strengthening. 10 times. You can be kneeling too if you want. Breathe out. 5, 6, 7. Last 1. Yeah. Some day 8, some day 12, but 10 make me feel great. And we go. Other side of plank. Left. Hold 10 seconds. I like face down, so my neck can keep stretching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Stretch. And then I do reverse plank because I know my weakness is my back, so I want to make stronger. Shoulder away, open chest, and then hold another 10 seconds. I'm focusing whole core right now. Abs are in, side of abdominal, lower back, supporting spine. 3, 2, 1, relax. Stretch. And of course, plank. Alright. Head in the line. Feel your pelvic floor engage. Transverses engage. Pulling belly in. And make sure shoulder away from your ear. From here, right knee to chest, round back. And come back center. Each time back to plank and round back, pulling your belly bottom as much as you can. I love plank, such a full body workout. Feel arms, feel core for sure, and leg work. One more each. Last one. And straight to forearm down. Last plank. And usually around this, my kids come and join me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open chest to stretch. Come back and push up. Child pose. Listen your breathing. How was it? That's my routine So I do every other day, or after running, I adding those routine to my core work and full body too. Thank you for workout with me. Hopefully see you soon.